Welcome to the speaker highlights for the Attorneys Resource Conference. My name is Jamie Gary. I am the principal of Upvision Consulting, LLC, a legal nurse business in Sault Ste. Marie, Michigan. I am here to welcome Mary Ann Siebold, one of our presenters at the Attorneys Resource Conference. This conference is taking place July 31st through August 2nd, 2024, so this summer at Treetops Resort in Gaylord, Michigan. This conference is designed to provide a dynamic and relaxing platform for attorneys and legal and healthcare professionals to learn and network together in a relaxed setting. To learn more about this conference, our absolutely wonderful speakers, and to book your seat, please visit our conference website at attorneysconference.com. If you're interested in vendor or sponsor opportunities, you can also find them there. Today, we are highlighting Mary Ann Siebold. She is a registered nurse with over a decade of experience, and her background includes some very exciting things, such as forensic nursing, strangulation prevention, and she is highly skilled in the review of medical records and audit trails. Mary Ann, you are presenting on the topic of electronic medical records and audit trails at the Attorneys Resource Conference in July. Can you provide our viewers with some insight into your presentation and the value that your presentation will bring to their practice and their medically related casework?
Yes, and I want to first say thank you, and I'm very excited to present this, mainly because there are a lot of articles, training, and workshops out there about audit trails and electronic medical records, and they're given by attorneys, IT professionals, and those in the healthcare industry, mostly nurses I've seen. And they talk about the individual parts that go along with reviewing those systems, analyzing those medical records, but they don't put them all together. And I find that we often miss things when we don't look at it from a whole. So what I want to do is give you a conceptual framework to be able to look at these systems and break them down systematically. I'm not going to make you into doctors or nurses or IT professionals. I'm not even going to make you into attorneys. I'm not going to give any medical or legal advice. But what I want you to do is just be able to understand what it is you're looking at, why it may or may not be important, the individual parts so that you can break it down, why the data is going to be collected, so that you or collaboration with your peers can break those systems down and see, do I have the information I need? Am I missing information? What should be here? What could be here? And what should not be here?
I'm excited to hear your presentation. Years of working in healthcare, reading medical records, audit trails can be a valuable resource to helping individuals decipher what is actually accurate in the medical record. So I am excited, and I'm excited to meet you, and I'm hoping that our attendees will feel the same way. I want to thank you very much for being here today. I want to redirect our viewers again to the attorneysresource.com and get on there, book your seat, and come and join us, meet Mary Ann, and have a wonderful time. Thank you very much.
Thank you.